If you're experiencing crashes while playing Apex Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Apex Legends. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and available storage space. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Installing updated drivers can often resolve compatibility issues. Step 3. Verify game files. Open the game launcher, Origin or Steam, go to your library, right-click on Apex Legends, and select the option to verify or repair game files. This will fix any corrupted files that might be causing crashes. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to see if that stabilizes performance. Reducing settings like resolution, texture quality, and disabling VSync can help prevent crashes. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background, especially those that may consume a lot of resources such as web browsers or streaming software. This can free up system resources for the game. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issue in Apex Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.